Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making white Christmas punch. In a jug, I'm mixing 2 cups of canned pineapple juice. To that, I'll be adding 1.5 cup of coconut milk. I'm adding few cubes of ice. To that, I'm adding half a liter of lemon lime soda. I'm using Sprite. And just for a color and garnish, I'm using some pomegranate seeds. You could use cranberry or cherries as well. And there you have it, virgin white Christmas punch is ready. For an alcoholic version, I fill the glass with some ice cubes. Now pour some punch in the glass. Now you can add any kind of white spirit of your choice. I am using Absolute vodka. Garnish the drink with some mint leaves and some pomegranate seeds. You could also use cranberry or cherries if you like. And our drink is ready. White Christmas punch. Please do try this recipe at home and like, share and subscribe to my channel Reels to Meal. Thank you.